In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track finances on Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use finance workspace that turns budgets and expenses into clear, visual insights. We'll start from a blank dashboard and get a full budget plan up and running using built-in templates, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. First, go to a new dashboard. From your workspace, open a fresh dashboard so you have a central place to view and analyze your numbers. Dashboards in Monday.com are like command centers. They pull data from boards and show you the big picture through widgets and charts. As soon as the dashboard opens, give it a clear name so your team knows exactly what it's for, like Finance Overview or Budget and Expenses. A good name helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. Next, click on Start with Template. This option saves time by giving you a professional setup that's already wired for common finance workflows. Instead of piecing together widgets and boards manually, you'll browse a curated library designed for specific use cases. Starting with the template also reduces setup errors and ensures your metrics look consistent across your team. From the template center, choose Budget Plan. This is tailored for tracking planned versus actual spending, organizing expense categories, and monitoring totals over time. The budget plan typically includes a structured board with columns for categories, planned amounts, actual amounts, and the variance between them. It may also come with a dashboard layout that showcases charts and summaries so you can immediately see trends by month, department, or category. Finally, click on Use Template. Monday.com will add the budget plan to your workspace and wire it to your dashboard. Once it loads, you can start entering your planned numbers for each category, then record actual expenses as they occur. The variance column will calculate the difference automatically, helping you spot overspending or savings at a glance. Use the dashboard view to visualize totals, compare periods, and highlight outliers. If your organization uses a specific currency or naming convention, align the template's labels to match and keep your categories consistent so reports remain clean and comparable. A few quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. Set a regular update rhythm, daily for fast-moving teams or weekly for steady operations, so your actuals stay accurate. Use clear category names and notes on big line items to make reviews faster. If multiple people contribute data, agree on a single source of truth and keep edits within the same board to avoid duplicates. That's it. With a new dashboard, start with Template, Budget Plan, and Use Template. You're set to track finances on Monday.com with clarity and confidence.